Imagine making money while you sleep, all thanks to artificial intelligence. In this video, I'll show you step by step how you can set up passive income streams using AI, even if you're a complete beginner. What is passive income with AI? Passive income means making money continuously with minimal daily effort. With AI tools today, you can automate content creation, digital products, and even online businesses. The best part? You don't need coding skills or startup capital. Step 1. Choose your niche. First, pick a niche. Whether it's finance, fitness, education, or technology, the niche you choose will shape your AI-powered income stream. Step 2. AI-powered content creation. Use AI tools like ChatGPT to write articles, Murph AI for realistic voiceovers, or Pictory for faceless videos. You can automate YouTube channels, blogs, or even ebooks that generate revenue through ads, affiliate links, or sales. Step 3. Monetization. Next, set up monetization. Options include YouTube AdSense and sponsorships, affiliate marketing with platforms like Amazon or AI tool partners, selling AI-generated ebooks, templates, or digital products on Gumroad. Step 4. Automation equals true passive income. Here's where AI shines. You can automate content publishing, email marketing, and even customer support with AI chatbots. This lets you keep earning without trading time for money. AI is not replacing humans, it's creating new opportunities. If you want to build financial freedom in 2025, start today with one of these AI-powered income streams. Don't forget to subscribe for more AI money-making tips.